Why did I buy this? I think I just got swept up with the frenzy of it all. Hey Planner fam, so what on earth am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about this, the veg tan leather, we call it FOMO frenzy that's been going on with Moterm at the moment. I don't know if you've seen in I think it's the Moterm fan Facebook group. Yeah, everyone's been talking about it, and I found myself getting swept up with the frenzy of trying to get my hands on one of these because it felt kind of limited edition. So, don't judge me. I'm sure, I know I'm not the only one, because those things were like flying off the shelf. I'm there watching the counter go down on the number left, and I hit the buy button, and I probably shouldn't have, but yeah. So if you manage to restrain yourself and resist the urge of being swept up with the frenzy, then comment below. Or if, like me, you totally went full headfirst in love with it and hit that buy now button, then tell me, what did you get? What color did you get? What cover did you get? I am curious to know. And also, just I want to we can have a little almost like a little self-help group where we comfort each other for our irresponsible spending habits, maybe. But anyway, so I did get one, and I'm going to share what I got. Obviously, I've got to share now, haven't I? The usual little grey leather velvet dust bag, and inside, I got this is the apricot veg tan. I think this is a TN cover. I don't even know. This is the problem. This is why I need somebody to send me help. I don't do this. I don't do this journaling, like TN notebook shenanigans with beautiful penmanship and go into town with the Tombow doodles and stickers and all of that kind of stuff. I don't do this, but I thought, oh no, I can do a gratitude journal, or maybe some sort of faith journaling in here, and that's how I convinced myself this was a wise purchase. But I got it yesterday, and I was kind of like, I really wish I just held out for when they finally release the veg tan leathers in the A5 ring covers, because I'm a rings girl. I'm an A5 rings girl. And now with the personal size ones that are being released in the rings with these leathers, why didn't I just wait? Why? It is gorgeous though. It is stunning. It is worth it. I will say that. The leather is just it's beautifully smooth, and it smells like it's not that really strong pongy leather smell that you can sometimes get. It is just a nice subtle leather smell, and it just feels amazing. The leather is just really, really tactile, and there's a softness to it, but there's also there's a softness, but there's also a structure to it. The craftsmanship, as always, is really wonderful with Moterm. I think the only thing that I don't like about Moterm planners is this why couldn't we have I don't know, maybe it's a leather thing, you can't do this, but why couldn't this lining be a nice cotton or something? Would that really affect the price that much? I mean, the price is already quite high, and I just feel like this nylon lining stuff, it doesn't do it for me. But I know you can't see it, so to be fair, you're not going to see it, so it doesn't really matter. But that is the only thing that kind of cheapens the whole deal for me. But other than that, it is gorgeous. Yeah, it is lovely, but I might be selling it. I'm not sure. I might sell it. We'll see. I'll hold on to it for a while. But anyway, I just thought I'd share that. As I said, comment below. Have you been swept up into this? What did you get? What colour? What are your thoughts? Have you received yours yet? I got this on the release of the covers. So I didn't do a pre-order. I got I can't explain myself. I got this on the Monday release on the AliExpress website. So I didn't do a pre-order. I got the what was left over order, if that makes sense. If you know what I mean. So did you pick one up? Did you get this when it was on pre-order? speak to me, guys. Like, tell me, are you loving it? Will you be buying more? Or did you restrain yourself? Are you waiting for the rings planner? Like, I'm curious, seriously. Like, this is a little community of planners, and we all share ideas and our journeys. And I think it's just an interesting thing as part of this journey. It's like, yeah, you get swept up into the gorgeousness of things, and the scarcity sometimes makes you buy things, doesn't it? Anyway, check out this video next. I'll see you over there. Bye for now, Mama. Bye.